In this lecture, you're going to get a nice overview of the WordPress dashboard and some of the important features. In the following lecture, we're going to go more specifically into the parts of the dashboard that you're going to need to know most about in order to manage your website. In lectures beyond that, we will go into even more specifics about how to customize your website, add content, and all of that. So to start off, when you log into your WordPress dashboard, this is the screen that you're going to see. WordPress immediately walks you through how to set up your first blog post, add an about page, add widgets, which we're going to talk more about. You'll be able to dismiss this once you have everything set up, and you'll notice that you'll see how many posts that you have, how many pages you've already set up, if your site accepts comments, how many comments are currently pending, and you'll also be able to create a quick blog post directly from your dashboard. If you want to customize what you see on your dashboard when you log in, you can click on the Screen Options button here and you can select which of those you'd like to see. So for instance, if you don't want to see any information about WordPress news, you can uncheck that box and you'll see that that is removed from your dashboard. On the top bar of your website, you'll see here the name of your website, and clicking that will take you to the live version of your site. Next here, you'll see how many comments you currently have pending that you'll need to approve if you want them to appear on your website. On the left-hand side, you'll see a post menu, and here is where you will be able to create new categories for your blog posts, as well as add new and edit current blog posts. Media is where you'll be able to see all of the existing images and videos that you have on your website, as well as add new ones. Pages, as I'm sure you've already guessed, this is where you can add new pages to your site, such as an about page, an information page about products that you may have. If you want to list out your books on a particular page, this is where you can do that. You'll also be able to go in here and edit any of the existing pages you've already created. Comments is where you can go in and moderate all of the comments that have been submitted on your website. The marketplace, this is where you can purchase WordPress themes. This is one of the places actually that you can purchase WordPress themes and WordPress services. Under appearance, we'll actually dive a bit more deeply into this in future lectures because this is how you're going to really customize your website. So this is an important one, and we will definitely come back to this. But this is where you are going to edit your themes and your widgets, your menus, all of those important things that are going to make your website look the way that it does. Plugins, this is where you will be able to see what plugins have been installed and where you'll be able to add new plugins so that you can add new functionality to your website. If you will be adding other users to your website, if other people will be helping you create posts or adding new content, this is where you'll be able to edit not only your own information, but the information of other users as well. Tools is more advanced. This is something that you will not be using to set up your website. Under settings, we will talk in just a bit about a number of settings that are very important for you to update before setting up your website, and you'll be able to find all of those here. So this gives you a general idea of where you can find things within the dashboard, and as I mentioned in upcoming lectures, we will talk more specifically about how to use these menus to update your site.